Okay, so now you want to give a proper border to a page in Word file. So look at this file, you can see that it's quite well formatted, but I don't have any borders in any of the page. So if you want to give a border to this page, just go to design, and then from the design menu you have to select page borders, and now you can see a window which will guide you to different options. So from here you can choose the style of your border, but personally I prefer this one. Go to art and click. Now you can choose different options from here. Whatever option is feasible for you, just go with it. Suppose I'm looking for small stars, so go down and here are some stars. Select these stars, and now you can just simply click OK, and it will bring borders to your file. But the only problem here is that you have select the whole document. So if you click OK, it will format the whole document and you will see a border on all its pages. But if you want if you want a border only on the first page, then go here and drop down to and go to this drop down menu, and you can select the third option, which is this section, first page only. Click on this one and now click OK. So this will help you to provide and this will provide a border on only the first page, and the rest of the pages there will be no border. Click OK, and voila, you can see it. Let me zoom it out for you guys so you can see the first page. There is a very nice border here, and then the rest of the pages there is no border. Thank you so much.